Hi, this is Brad Blazer, and I'm going to show you how to make a cute little soft shackle today in a very simple process. So you see I've got a twisted rope. It's stranded together by twisting it with a stop knot on the end, and this is our soft shackle. And we're going to make one from scratch. So here I've got a 2-foot length of cord. This is about a 3/16 cord, and I've burnt the ends on it. I'm going to put those two ends together, and I need to find the middle of the cord, so I'm going to just run that down until I find the middle. I've got a bite there. Okay, so I'm going to have that bite pointing up, and I'm going to grab the two ends, and now I'm going to turn them both clockwise, and as I turn them you can see this is going to want to twist, and I'm just going to keep doing that to form a stranded rope. And I'm going to keep going. It'll get a little crooked, but you can kind of comb that out. Okay, now I'm about halfway through. I'm going to flip that over. You can see this doesn't take very long, so I'm twisting. I'm kind of doing the opposite action with each hand because my hands are right and left. That's to get both sides spinning in the same direction. You can see that thing strand itself together. As I twist the rope, you need to pre-torsion it and continue to twist as you bring it together, and that'll give you a nice tight twist for the soft shackle. So I'm going to continue doing that all the way to the burnt ends. So there we go. It didn't come out perfectly even. I was probably twisting one a little harder than the other. That doesn't really matter. It'll still look pretty good. Now with these ends, with it twisted all the way to the end, I'm just going to use an overhand knot. There are fancier knots you can use to get a bigger stop knot, but this is going to be the stop knot for the soft shackle. There we go. So I've got my knot, and by trapping the twist in the knot, that actually makes the knot a little bigger, makes a little better stop knot. So I'm going to tighten that up. I'm going to pull on all the ends here, pull it in the direction that it'll be pulled for the stop knot, like that, and I'm done. And you can do just now the simple put the loop over the knot, and you can see this twist makes that loop want to be really small. So when I open that loop up and put it over the knot, it's going to want to close right back up, and it pretty much locks itself in. Like I said, you can do a bigger knot, you can do fancier knots on this end, but you really don't need to. That thing will close itself up, self-locking, very nice little soft shackle. You can make it any size. I made one out of a smaller cord and actually used it as a keychain out of 1/16 cord. You can make one out of heavier rope and actually use it as a towing shackle. All right, thanks for watching. These are going to be handy with the old Sea-Doo.